Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your OKX account password. To do this, first you'll have to go to your OKX app. Once you open the app, to reset your password, you'll have to tap on the sign up or login button in white. Once you do that, here, if you're logging into your account, your email will be automatically typed down in the text box. You may tap on next to proceed. Once you tap on next, they ask you for your password. Now, to reset your password, you'll have to tap on the forgot your password link right below the password text box. This will take you to the reset password page. Here, you'll have to enter your email or your phone. In my case, my email was automatically entered. Then you'll have to tap on the box right below your email. Once you do that, you may tap on the confirm button in white to proceed. The app gives you a small puzzle for verification. Once you complete that puzzle, you will directly be taken to a page where you will have to enter your new login password. You're given the criteria which your password has to contain. So you may fill your password according to the criteria given. Then you may fill in the password again on the text box below to confirm the new password. Once you do so, then you may tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, then you'll have to send codes for authentication to both your phone number and your email address. You may tap on the send code button right beside the enter code text box. You may tap on send code for both your phone number and your email. Once you receive your codes, then you may type down your codes and then tap on the confirm button. Once you do so, you'll have successfully reset your password. Now, to check if your password has been really reset or not, you may type down your password in the password text box where you log in to check. Once you type it down, you may tap on the login button to log in. Here, you can see that you have logged into your account. This is how you can easily reset your password on OKX app. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.